Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Enable the Custom Search API on a Google Cloud project and create an API key so requests authenticate. Once done, create a custom search engine and copy its CSE ID, called CX, because you'll pass both values in every call. Make sure to configure sites or domains in the CSE scope to control results. Also set API key restrictions and check quota limits so your first requests aren't unexpectedly blocked. Next, you construct requests and validate responses. Use an HTTP GET with Q for the query, key for your API key, and CX for the CSE ID. Test from curl, Postman, or your app. Once you get results, parse items for snippet and link, and use PageMap for structured data. For more results, paginate with start equals 1, 11, 21, watch quota. If responses contain HTTP errors, log status and error messages. Retry with exponential backoff to avoid rate limit failures. Finally, integrate the API into your app and harden it for production. Cache frequent queries to lower costs and respect per second quotas so you don't get throttled. Monitor usage in Cloud Console and rotate API keys or restrict referrers if you detect abuse. If queries return no results, check that the CSE includes the target sites and verify safe search, language, or country settings. For stubborn errors, reproduce a failing curl request. Inspect the JSON error and apply the fix shown in the message.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.